Hi y'all, so before we get the video started, because this is a Pontiac video, I felt like it was only right to go ahead and do another sale on the Pontiac cups. So I'm gonna do this time 25% off the Pontiac cup. The Pontiac cup, this is one right here. This is the red one. This is actually Gus's son cup. Also do the Holden logo. The black one. So you can pick up the two colors. Like I said, 25% off. The discount code is going to be Holden Commodore. Put it up here, and make sure y'all give Gus a follow. Put his Instagram up, and make sure y'all go give Fez a follow also. So let's go ahead and get to the video. God damn. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Mo. This is my channel Nation, of course. So today we're gonna be checking out a pretty interesting G8. So I'm driving there right now, and this guy is actually a subscriber. So he's a subscriber and he's in San Antonio. So I'm gonna have all his stuff down below. If he has an Instagram and all that, so y'all can check out his G8, which is pretty nice. 10 times faster than my G8. And probably about 10 times better looking than mine. So let's go ahead and make that trip and get there. Then I'm gonna show y'all all what I'm gonna get him to let y'all know all the mods he got on the G8. And let's just say that it is boosted. So alright y'all, so I made it to where we meeting up at. Hey, Eric came back home. I made it to where we meeting up at. I'm just waiting on him to get here, and then once he get here, I'm gonna start showing y'all the car. I'm gonna try to do a little video of it too, so we have to find a spot where I can do like a couple little clips, put it together like I usually do, and do a little video. Then probably after that, I don't know. Y'all see how it play out in the video. So, alright y'all, so I'm here with Fez. And I'm gonna show y'all his G8 just in a moment, and he's just gonna kind of go over the mods and stuff that he got done to the car, because there's a bunch of stuff done to the car that I wouldn't be able to explain. So let me go ahead and flip the
3, 2, 1, drop it.
Put you on the spot, bro.
Oh snap! All right, so I got basically a stock LSA set up right here, 5-inch intake.
That's a big intake too, man.
Yeah, 5-inch. Yeah, from Glanzer Performance. The 102 Nick Williams throttle body.
Yeah, I know you're talking.
I'm running a 240 pulley, stock pulley on the bottom. Basically, stock heads with blower cam, pushing around, I want to say 13 pounds of boost. I might have told my tuner to tune it down due to the fact that I'm still trying to daily it. So
how much is making to the wheel? You got a dynoed? Or?
It's dynoed. Final pull that he made was 770.
Dang.
But keep down low. No, just kidding. No, well, I told him as soon as it hit that, I was like, turn it down. I need this car as a daily. So, and of course, it doesn't have an ice tank, and that's the next thing I need to do.
So it'll be like fueling and all that stuff.
Well, fuel's already. I mean, it's good. I'm actually using a. To be honest, people don't know it, but Hellcat fuel pump. A Hellcat fuel pump. Yeah, just single, and they're actually pushing that much. So.
And then I see. I like the way you got this set up too.
Yeah,
like with this here.
That part cracked right there, but yeah. Just so that way more air flows, no lag in between as well. Also got the transcooler inside right there.
Yeah, let's see.
Trucool. Lowered on D2 coilovers.
And what those are, 19s?
Those are 18s. 18s all the way around. I actually got some tires in the back at home that are 19s, exactly the same, that I'm probably gonna swap out. So
How you like that? Because I like the way this look. Because I got the 20s and I'm thinking about.
The only thing is the offset. The offset on these tires, it rubs really hardcore. As you can see, the tire's actually sticking out more.
Yeah.
You can see right there, shit.
Oh damn.
So yeah, the 19s that I have, the offset on those are actually better. They're actually more pushed in. So.
See, got the tail lights, like gotta get the
Mavman. I mean, can't go wrong with them.
Yeah.
Nah, like I said, I had the spoiler on here, but fell off.
Yeah, so his spoiler fell off. But I mean, it's still, I mean, it looked good like that. It look even better when you put the other one on. So
yeah, work in progress.
And then your exhaust, what you got for the exhaust?
Exhaust is stock GXP mufflers. Stock GXP mufflers, 3-inch exhaust all the way in the back. Quarter 1 7/8, or I'm not sure on the Cook's headers. Other than that,
that's pretty good. And I see you got the LED turn signals. I thought about getting those, and I thought about getting this also.
right. Check it out. Come over here. Let's see if you can spot all the LEDs.
Oh shit! Damn. I like that.
So you got LEDs.
That's different, man.
You got LEDs here, you got LEDs here, LEDs here. Those actually turn on.
Which one's the front?
At nighttime they look a lot sicker, so.
Is that something that you just added yourself, or?
Yeah, I just added that myself. I mean,
So you could change the colors, or?
no, that's just red. And
Red.
then just sequential turn.
Okay.
Switchback basically.
Yeah, I like that. That's different. That's the first GA I saw was something like that.
It's something like I guess like the Beamers, you know, something like how they have
Yeah,
it,
I
so.
guess you could say.
Also, I got LEDs in the back as well. Like I know Ernesto, he got some too, but I have to get my own as well.
Oh, you did the ones at the bottom? Alright. I may actually have to do that. That's my first time seeing it in person.
Yeah.
So, I may do that. Add a little something to the...
Also, I got the CTSV Brembos, 4 piston in the back, 6 in the front.
There you go.
I'm playing around, I'll stop it.
Yeah.
I want to stop.
And then which split are you guys?
The G8 only, the Batwing.
That wing?
The only reason it looks like that is because I actually have like a knee bay version, this rubber one.
Yeah.
I just put it on there just so that way, because right here, there's a gap right there.
Yeah.
And air just gets through there, so I'd rather just, doesn't look as aggressive, but at least keeps this out of the way.
I like how you did that. It's pretty good. You got the red steering wheel. I like that. Got your gauges up there. Yeah. You got the gauges in the middle too, and
In the middle. Yeah. Also got the,
god damn.
to be honest,
Got a seatbelt like it's a baby.
secret. Keep it safe.
So we can go ahead and go for a ride inside of his G8. boy pull, God. Right, and then yours rides so much smoother than mine.
Well, I built the boost on this one, so if I were to just punch it all the way through, it'll definitely sputter.
Yeah.
Like, it'll definitely won't do nothing. It'll just backfire. Can't wait to get some slicks so I can hook.
I can't wait to put a blow on mine.
If I were you, what I usually do on my cars first, always stopping power first. So
Yeah, put some brakes.
those Brembos, that will always work, man.
Okay, so you got 275. That's NT55. Yeah, that's what I'm running to. Well, I got 285, 30. But I like how this one, like, I like how this, like, right here, like, cause I feel like mine is like kind of in there. I don't know how.
That's why I said wait till you see my brother's. His is, you can't even put pinky in there. It's like,
Oh, really?
His is,
It doesn't rub?
no.
Let me. Hi y'all, so I'm about to get going. He's about to go. So appreciate you for letting me check out your car and riding the car. So I'm gonna put all his Instagram, his Facebook. Hey, I can put Facebook.
Instagram.
I'm gonna put all his stuff down below, and it's gonna pop up in the video also. So y'all make sure y'all go give him a follow. And we're trying to get him to do YouTube also. So.
I'm a novice.
So that'll be the end of this video, and I'll see y'all in the next video. There you go. Start the OG up. Let's see. God damn.